Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing well. Wow, what a great Thanksgiving it was. Leading up to Thanksgiving, we were all out at Lake Placid. Last week you saw the video. What a blast. Anthony, Debbie, thank you for a great outing last weekend. And man, I was in Bradenton, Florida yesterday for the breakfast yesterday morning. So what a great, just a ton of events. I'm going to jump right into it because, wow, we're not rolling over just because December is tomorrow. We've got a ton of things on the calendar. Let me get to it real quick because there's a lot to talk about. December the 2nd, today when you're seeing this, St. Pete Clearwater is meeting us tonight, December the 2nd. St. Pete Clearwater. On the 6th, December the 6th, Saturday, December the 6th, we have the HSR, Historic Sports Car Racing at Sebring. Hey, if you're going to go, you got to get it really quick. 2 reservations you need. Go to our website, RSVP, so we know how much food to fix. And secondly, you got to get your ticket. One-day ticket for Saturday is $36. You got to buy it across their website. Links on the calendar page. Going to be a lot of folks there, so it's just going to be a lot of fun. Come on out and join us with that. December the 6th and 7th is our autocross, last autocross of the year. Of course, we roll into January for the next one, but December 6th and 2nd is autocross weekend down here in Fort Myers. December the 6th is also the Sarasota Cars and Coffee. December the 6th is also the Tioga Town Center Cars and Coffee. On the 7th, December the 7th, we have the Florida Suncoast and the ZSCCA Breakfast, Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte. On the 11th is Track Night, last Track Night of the year. Of course, we roll over into January, but the last Track Night of the year, December the 11th. And just big kudos go out to, huge kudos go out to Rich Rouser and Damien. These guys are just, they're out there, they're rolling, they're really putting some cars out there. So don't let the holidays tie you down. Come on out and have some fun. Go from there to the 13th, Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. That's at the big mall up there. All of a sudden I just forgot the name of the mall, but huge mall up there, huge collection. That's Gary, that's Al, that's all the guys up there putting that together. Kebble, all the guys are up there, so love seeing those pictures up there. I'm going to get there one of these days, I promise. The 13th is also Southwood Cars and Coffee. The 13th is also the Lakeland Cars and Coffee. Damien's anchoring that one there at Fields BMW in Lakeland. On the 13th is also the Gainesville Cars. If you want to go to a Cars and Coffee that we put on or sponsor or host or share hosting, you got plenty of options there on the 13th, anywhere. On the 14th is the Naples Cars and Coffee. That's the big one. It'll be the last one of the year. That's on the 14th. On the 20th is the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. That'll be the last one for this year as we roll out. And then the last thing on the thing, the Saturday between Christmas and New Year's, the 27th, is the Tom Clee Memorial Drive. Tom loved this drive. He introduced it to us several years ago. I think this is the 23rd or 24th year. We'll have the Alfa Romeo Club from the East Coast. We'll have the BMW Club group from the East Coast. We'll have the Legacy group. We'll have the Supercars. A ton of us from Florida Suncoast are going to go out. So come on out, be a part of that. We'll meet at exit 120. There'll be 2 meetups. One is exit 123 off of I-75 here in Estero. And there's another one I think is meeting at the 191. And then we'll all converge on Snake Road. No, I'm sorry. That's the wrong instructions. There'll be one meetup. It'll be at exit 123 in Estero. Then we'll head out to the alley to exit 49 where the Mixsuki Travel Plaza is on the Alligator Alley. And then with all those cars, we'll head up Snake Road. If you've never done Snake Road, it's a great road. It's exactly for the name. It's just a 2-lane snaky road up through the middle of the state. We end up in Clewiston at Scotty's Tiki Hut, and Rich Rouser tells us it's the best cheeseburger and onion rings in Florida. So let's go test it again. I've tested it half a dozen times and love it every time. So those are the events. Ton of events for the December. You can't get bored. You can't wonder what you're going to do because you'll have so many options. You'll have to figure out which ones you can't do, I guess, is the better way to look at it. Keep in mind, we're getting ready to post for the January 17th. I think it's the ultimate something other 50th anniversary, 50th birthday bash. You'll see it coming up. We're getting the last details this week, and then we'll sign up. Those are steaks on the grill for our birthday bash. I think we're going to cap it at about 100 folks. So the first 100 to get in, or the ones that get in, there will be a show and shine with trophies. There'll be best of show for the crowd choice, and then we'll have entertainment there as well, and a lot of fun. Just come on out, be out. That'd be our first real big kickoff. For 2026, our 50th anniversary year for the chapter and for the CCA. So looking forward to that. A lot more to come, a lot more to happen, a lot more to get posted. But if you're sitting on the sofa and you're missing all this stuff, shame on you. Come on out. Happy motoring, y'all. Happy holidays. No, Merry Christmas as well. And we'll see you soon. Thanks, now. Bye.